Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into how to send a letter to the president in 2025. Whether you're passionate about a policy change, want to share your thoughts, or just curious about the process, this guide has got you covered. Let's jump right in. First off, why send a letter? In 2025, with digital communication on the rise, a physical letter can still make a personal impact and show sincerity. But before you start, remember that security measures might have evolved, so always check the latest official sources. Step 1. Gather your materials. You'll need paper, a pen, an envelope, and postage. Start by visiting the White House website or the official presidential correspondence page for the most up-to-date address. It's usually something like 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue, Washington, D.C., but double-check for any 2025 updates. Step 2. Write your letter. Keep it clear, respectful, and concise. Introduce yourself, state your purpose right away, and back it up with facts or reasons. Aim for one page to keep it engaging. Don't forget to include your full name, address, and contact information so they can respond if needed. Step 3. Prepare the envelope. Write the president's address neatly on the front, and put your return address in the top left corner. Use first-class mail and consider certified mail for tracking. It's a small extra cost but worth it for peace of mind. Step 4. Mail it out. Head to your local post office or drop it in a mailbox. In 2025, there might be digital options too, like an online portal, so look into that for faster submission. Finally, be patient. Responses from the White House can take weeks or months, depending on the volume. But hey, you've taken the first step in making your voice heard. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Until next time, stay informed and engaged.